Welcome to the tutorial on the Spanish Romance. Okay, the first we need to learn the chord shape. So when I mention the term 700, refer to the string number 1, 0, string number 2 and 3. There will be exception. The exception is on the chord shape of 4 to 4. This one will occur on the second, third and fourth string that we mentioned. So otherwise default it will be mentioned on string number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with the chord shape. The first chord shape is 700. 7. We always start with the string number 1. For this part 1, only string number 1, 2 and 3 are involved. So when it's called 70, string number 1 is mentioned first. So it's 7, 0, 0 means second string and third string is open. So this is the first chord shape, 700. The next chord shape is 50. You put your finger, slide from 7 to 5, and that will be 500. Then the next chord shape will be on 300. You slide your finger to the third fret on the first string, and you pick string number 1, 2 and 3. Then you do the same thing on 200 again. Then when it's 000 means these three strings will be open, and then the next chord will be on the 12. Now you count here, you count all the way here up to here. Look at this dot here. This will be a 12th fret, so this is 12, 0, 0, and then you go to 10, 0, 0. It's on the 10th fret. Same shape, you just move one finger only. And then you go to 8. It's 800. Now the next transition chord come in is 855. How do you do 855? Now the finger here is 8. This is 8th fret. You're going to bar here on the 5th fret. This shape. This is count. Can count. It's 855. See? It's an 855 chord. Have a look at it carefully. It's not a very challenging chord. Now when you're going to, then the next chord is 755. So 755 means this pinky move to here. That would be your 755. Or you can actually use this change your finger to the ring finger, and you get the 755 chord shape. Then you have the next one is 778. How do you do? Now 778 means you have to bar on the 7th fret. Okay. So it's 7 here, first string is 7, second string is 7. Now the 8 means this here, this string here. So you can see there's a redundancy here, but this is actually 778. See again, 778. The chord shape is this way. It's very tricky. The next one will be 1178. So this remain unchanged. Now you have to use a pinky to move. This is 10, this is 11 here. So it's a bit tricky to do it here or do this way. So this will be this shape here. This will be 1178. See 11, then this one is 7, then this one is on the 8. See the 8, this one is the 8. So 1178. Then it goes back to 878 is here. 878. So the other chords will be the same, 778, which we mentioned before. Then 700 is mentioned before. Then go to 500 is mentioned again. And then the rest of the chord until 0. Until you reach another chord called 202. 202, you just simply do here 2. 2 here, 0, 2. Or you can do this with this finger. This is also 202 or this finger. So it's up to you to use whichever fingering on the string you feel comfortable. Now I prefer to use this way for good reason. This is a better way, because after 202 you have another chord shape called 302. That means this one here, you can move this way, but I think I would just use this one. Just leave it as is for good reason, because this is 3. Because when I put my finger here, this the 3rd fret, 302. Then if I remove, it go back to 202, because the two chords are 202, 302, 202, 302, back to 202. Then it's open. 0. So at this point you can go back and repeat a few times. There's no rule that says how many times you want to do it, but usually it's repeated twice. Now let's say you want to go to the next section. You will add what is known as the lead notes, which I added myself. That will be this chord 300, go to 700, and go to 1200. Then we go to the part 2. That's all, folks. Okay, first thing, you must get yourself familiarized with the chord shape that you have done for the Spanish Romance chords. So now let's get used to the tune. Let's see how it goes. Refer to your tablature. You're going to start with 700 and you're going to do the strumming here, 770. So let's begin. So this is 7. Repeat again until you get used to it. If you have completed this and you want to add in the lead notes towards the end of 00, you can do this way. The leads will be the same. See? 3. Then you go to part 2. Want to go to the next section, you repeat one more time and you add the licks here. 3, then go to 7, then go to 12, then go to the next section. I repeat again the licks.